Let's go to Ted in Orlando. Ted, you're on News Talk WDBO. Go ahead.
Yes, I purchased a home in 2007, and we had a contract. I deposited $5,000 down towards the contract for the house. Recently, 2 weeks ago, I received a letter from a title company stating that she's a title specialist, stating that the $5,000 was never deposited or entered towards your closing, so she's not sure where this $5,000 came from, and she wanted to know if I have proof. If not, they're closing this escrow account, and she's going to deposit this $5,000 to the state. She said they got to forward it forward. They cannot keep that money.
Well, Ted, let's just make up some numbers here. Let's say you bought this house, you closed on it in 2007. Your purchase price was $100,000. When you signed the contract, you put up $5,000. When you closed it, you came with the other $95,000. Maybe you borrowed it from a bank, right?
Yes.
The final answer for this is going to be on your settlement statement, your HUD statement. If that settlement statement on there shows that you were given a $5,000 credit for that $5,000 deposit that you paid, then you're whole. There's no windfall here for you. But if that settlement statement does not give you credit for a $5,000 deposit, it means that that $5,000 sitting there is yours.
Yeah, I could not find a $5,000 deposit in the HUD statement. I looked at it.
Then whoever you're talking to should get a copy of that HUD statement and say, look, at the moment of closing, somebody goofed up to the degree of $5,000, and I didn't catch it, and that $5,000 belongs to me.
So now, can I go after the attorney that kind of screwed up? Because the attorney was from the real estate agency. They were the one that recommended me the attorney.
Well, Ted, if they write you a check for $5,000, somebody screwed up, but you've been made whole.
But at the same time, we're talking $5,000 of interest, of loss of almost 4.5 years. And the attorney.
Okay, so Ted, I don't think there's enough there for you to pursue. If you're asking me, can you? The answer is yes. Is it worthwhile? I would say probably no.